Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit and focus on selfies category. Here we have save selfies as preview option. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and we have short info from the device that this option saves selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. And of course we have to remember that to use it and make it work we have to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.